In this video, I'll show you how you can change your tagline in League of Legends. Now in League of Legends, you have a username as well as a little tagline. If I hold over this guy, you can see it says his username and then it says hashtag EU West right under. Now the tagline is what people will add you by and also with your username. So if you want to have a custom tagline, you can change it. Otherwise, you'll just have the tagline of the server that you play on. So like he had the EU West, this guy has a custom one, it says And if you want to change it, what you can do is simply head over to the store right here. In here you want to press on account, scroll all the way down and find Riot ID change. Click continue and it will give you to this website. Now from in here you're going to log into your account and you'll see the Riot ID. Now your Riot ID will be your username as well as the tagline. And keep in mind, this is for all Riot games, so also for Valorant and other Riot games. Now simply change the tagline to something else you want, and you can simply press Save Changes. Now keep in mind, you can only change this once every 3 months, but it's completely free, so don't worry about it. Now that's basically how you can change your tagline, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.